Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can adjust the length of durations of the multiple photos that you added to the CapCut PC at the same time. So in here, I'm going to add these four photos at the same time. So I'm going to select the photo first, like this. Then just drag the photos to the track, and in here don't click anything. And if you want to adjust the duration to be the exact same length, what you need to do is just go to the end or to the start of the photos like this. And if you want to make it shorter, you can just drag back like this. And if you want to make it longer, you can just drag to the right like this. Okay, for example, I want to make it longer, just like this. And let go, and you can see now the photos will have the exact same length like this. Okay, so that's a simple tips from me. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.